welcome back to the channel. Now today is July 3rd, which is a Friday, and I couldn't do it on July the 1st or the 2nd because I was going out for the night and I came back home really late. So, oh shoot, it's 2 o'clock now, but we're gonna get started. I'm gonna show you my to-do list. Here's my to-do list right now, and it looks pretty solid. I only have a few things on here. I'm not gonna be that busy. Yeah. Well, guys, I have acquired the 1-ton vacuum cleaner. The thing weighs a ton, like I said before, but my place is not that messy, but it just needs a little bit of cleaning. Let's get to it. And also, it's storming outside, so I might hear some thunder, like I just did right now. Hey y'all, welcome to my bathroom. So I'm gonna be cleaning my countertop and my sink. And I'm going to be cleaning my shower. I know it doesn't look dirty, but it still needs cleaning. Let's get to it. Hey guys, so I just finished cleaning the bathroom and now I'm going to organize my desk. Looks really cluttered. I've been procrastinating a lot, so we're gonna get to organizing. Also, I don't think my desk has been this cluttered. Okay guys, I've finished cleaning on my desk and I have my cabinets or whatever they're called. What I do. So this one's for school, which the name speaks for itself. Arts and school projects. My leisure, which is everything outside of school. Like if I want to journal, if I want to talk about what's happening in my life, you know, all that good stuff. But I'm gonna take a quick break.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so I'm done with the break now, and it was kind of long. I didn't think it'd be that long, or I made it long, so it was neat anyway. But I'm going to clean my TV desk because it's really junky. So here's what my rag is looking like after wiping down the base of the floors. All that dust and grime. Welcome to my closet, everyone. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to organize all my jackets, my sweaters, my shirts, you name it. So they're gonna go from the seasons, like winter, fall, summer, and spring. Okay, let's get to it. Hey guys, I just got out the shower and I feel clean, I feel refreshed, I feel very calm right now. But now I'm going to change my June background to my July background. New month, a new background. Let's say goodbye to the June background. Just catch one glimpse at it before I change it. Okay, this is what my July background looks like. I'm really proud of how it turned out. Oh, this is the locket necklace I have. You can get it off Amazon. And I have a quote at the bottom. July is a blind date with summer by Hal Borland. This is going to conclude my July reset. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. You are loved and blessed. Bye.